Hello viewers, welcome back to new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show how to fix Gpay or Google Pay not working problem or Gpay is not responding problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Gpay, click on Gpay, update Gpay app if available on Play Store or App Store. Press on power button, click on restart, tap to restart. Normally restart on your phone. Hopefully in this way you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.